Alright guys, so today I am installing a catch can and you get to enjoy it with me. Here we go. This is the J&L OSC oil separator. This is for the 2015 Ford Taurus SHO. And this is what you get in the box. You get this little nice little thing. Card here. Has some instructions on it. Shows you different models that makes models that they do. They do the Explorer too, in 3.5. Got this sheet here, which will give you a PDF, but we're gonna do it via video. So catch can wise, this is what we got here. It's machined very nicely. Comes with all that you need, with the exception of tools. So you have your mounting bracket here, and you have your catch can and replacement hoses, and then it unscrews at the bottom here, and that's how you empty it. Got a cool high graphic sticker, some oil change stickers. You put these on the can if you put service mileage on it. Every 10,000 miles you're supposed to service these, so pretty long time. But that's all you pretty much get in the box. You get the catch can, a couple cards with information on it, and then some stickers, a bracket. So let's get this installed. Alright, so first things first, we're going to pop open our hood, make sure that this is relatively cool, because these engines run pretty hot. So you kind of want to do this on a cold start or when the car's sat for a couple hours, because you don't want to burn yourself. There's this hose here. This is the stock hose, and this cycles oil drip back into the engine. Yeah, so it's not that great. So this is how you remove it. There's this little clip down here. I'm gonna pull that back. Simply lift up. It's not hard. On the pipe down here that connects right here, it's the reverse. So it's on the other side. So you do that. You're gonna take your middle finger here or index or whatever you can reach. You're gonna pull up on it, and then you're gonna wiggle it out, and that comes right out. So yeah, there's that. So we're going to move towards the passenger side of the engine bay, and we're going to install this plate on top of the catch can. In the instructions it says to line it up the letters, and I completely agree. It's pretty much stupid proof. Just line up the letters from the top of this to the catch can. There's letters under the catch can as well, or under the plate here for the catch can. Line those up. I already started. This is going to take a Phillips head, so got my cold bolt over here, my ratcheting cobalt fancy dancy ratcheting one. And we're going to go ahead and install these. Okay, it's nice and firm. Nice and firm. You are going to need a 10 mil as well, so there's that. And I just so happen to have a 10 mil here. So in the kit there's a little mounting bracket here. What it is, it's a weld nut on here. It slides over this hole in the fender, which is surprisingly strategically placed, almost like a catch can is meant to be there. So we will slide this on, and then we're going to take our catch can and place it on top of here, like so. Take our nut, or bolt I should say. Careful with this. We're going to adjust this accordingly. We want some clearance on each side. We don't want it too tight. Give it a couple ugga duggas. Let's get some more. And 2 more for good measure. Alright, she's not going anywhere. That's the bad joke you get. Okay, so now we have this installed. Let's go ahead and tighten down these Phillips one more time. I don't want to strip them. They look nice. So go ahead, tighten that down. Kind of wish they had some Loctite on here. Not gonna lie. Hopefully it doesn't do anything bad. We'll loosen up with the vibration of the engine later on. So this is the new clips. These are squeeze type. So this one is gonna go right here, and then the one is gonna go back here. So we're gonna go ahead and route that. So this clip goes right here. How am I gonna route this? That's the question. That's the question. You know, this would be great if the noisemaker was missing, but I don't have a noisemaker to delete. So this is gonna have to do for now. There we go. Just goes under the noisemaker. If you still have the noisemaker, just route it under the noisemaker. And then this guy, I'm gonna route this way. Alright. Got nothing rubbing, nothing touching that shouldn't be touching. It's all tight. You're going to do once over again. Check all your connections, make sure they're firm, that they're not moving, because you don't want them to move. I'm going to make sure this catch can's tightened down. That's tight there. And we're good to go. Just like that, you have installed a catch can on your SHO or Explorer, EcoBoost. If you have an EcoBoost, you're probably going to need to get a catch can. So any boosted vehicle should probably have a catch can too. But there we go, guys. Simple install, nice and fast. It's not bad. It doesn't look bad at all. I like it. You can find these on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in my link tree to these catch cans. Go ahead and fetch you one. I do get kickbacks from that, so I'll be 110% honest with you. I do make commission for every one of these sold. So help a brother out, because I love me some car parts. See you later.